In AFM, a mechanical sharp tip hovers over a sample surface. As a result, van der Waals forces are generated between the tip and the sample surface. These van der Waals forces have an effect on tip movement, which causes distortion in the laser light path that hits the tip's top. The light path distortion creates a pattern on the recorder screen based on the surface feature of the sample. The light pattern is then used to extract information about the sample surface. AFM provides topographic or surface-related information. Furthermore, AFM can be used to alter the sample's surface features, including mechanical properties.